What's up mga guys? So maglalaro tayo ng Rugby's Brain Lots. And please smash the like button and like this video. Don't forget to share in the comments. Okay. So guys, I was just AFK earlier. And I got some eggs, so let's hatch them. We got so many eggs, bro. Got a zillion. And we got a new egg. Okay, bro. I'm in the public server. I feel there's luck in here. Okay, look. What we gonna get? So that's okay. Now we move to the godly egg. It's rainbow. Ay, am I lagging? So guys, I was lagging. So what are we gonna get? Oh, we got